Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2020 Ford Edge and I will show you the location of the block heater. Actually the block heater plug. This video will apply to Ford Edges made from 2019 all the way up to 2024. If this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the videos, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Now, most of the vehicles, even most of newer Fords, will have like a cord hanging out just here through the hood or through the front grille, right? But Ford Edges have it designed a bit differently. So if you look all the way down here at the lower grille, there is actually a plug which you have to open, and then what you do, you just plug your extension cord in here and then the other side to the outlet, and that's pretty much it. And luckily Ford designed this so you can use any kind of extension cord. It doesn't have to be like Ford OEM, right? Okay, so to demonstrate, this is the cord I'm using. So just you have to make sure it's designed for the exterior, so for cold temperature, stuff like that. So this side is gonna go right here. Okay, I'm doing everything with one hand, and then the other side just goes to the normal outlet, and that's pretty much it. That's how it works. So there is no cords. You don't have to look in the engine bay and getting nervous where is your block heater, because it's right here. All you have to do, you have to get a cord. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.